Hello, my darlings. Good morning. It's phonics time, so pop those hats on. That's right. Okay, today we are starting off with two new tricky words to learn. So the first one is the tricky word have, and it looks like this. Have is a funny word because that bit is phonetic, you can sound it out, and then it has the E on the end. So that is tricky word have. So that's actually not too tricky to remember. I don't think that one. I think that one is, you just have to remember the E on the end, the F on the end. Okay? Now the next one is like. And that is how you spell tricky word like. Okay? That one there's no phonics in that one really. You can't sound that one out at all. You have to learn how to spell it. So like, let's practice it 3 times. Okay, like. Oh, my kicking cup went very funny there. Oh dear. Bye-bye, silly kicking cup. There we go. Like. So we've got have and like, and those are our two new tricky words for today. Okie dokie. Right, so now today we are going to be thinking of a digraph. So this digraph looks like this. A U and an E, an and an F together, but the way we say it is ooh. Okay, so we say it like we say this digraph some of the time, the ooh sound. Okay, so an example of that is the word blue, like the colour blue, or the ocean is a blue colour. B-l-ooh, blue. Okay, so we've got our new digraph there. Okay, it's new in the sense that it's a new pronunciation of it. Okay, we have seen these two letters together before, but we haven't used them in this way. Okay, now let's have a look at some more. Now, another thing to remember is that it usually comes at the end of a word. So it's one of the ones where it usually comes at the end of a word. So let's have a look at some more. If we were trying to solve a mystery, we might see a clue. And clue is spelt with this digraph. Clue. There we go. An issue. If you're having a problem with something, you might say, I'm having a bit of an issue with something. Issue. Clue, issue. It is true that you are awesome. True. 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 Okay. Now let's have you have a go. So how about spelling glue? G-l-u. Glue. 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 It's sticky. Glue. Okay, so glue is going to look like this. G-l-u. Glue. And a person's name could be Sue. Sue. How are we going to spell Sue? Sue. And we're going to need a capital letter at the beginning. Sue. 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 There we go. There's also another word, which is the word sue, which is a bit of a complicated thing for when you're a grown-up, but if somebody does something majorly wrong, you can sue them, which means that you try and get lots of money off them because they've done something very wrong. But anyway, it's rarely very successful, but it's something that like big companies do. But usually it is for somebody, it is used as somebody's name. Okay, so let's have a go. Let's see. let's do some real or fake words. So, right, okay, here are real or fake words. So let's have a look. Tissue. 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 Real or fake? Real. We use tissues a lot for our noses. Tissue. Now let's have a look at this one. Clue. Pen. Clue. Clue. Real or fake? This one's a bit of a tricky one. Clue. Now, clue as a word to say is a real word, but this is not spelt correctly because clue, as we just saw a minute ago, is spelt like that. Okay, so this is not a real word. We don't spell it with the kicking ka. Blue. Blue. Real or fake? Real. Yeah, we know the word blue. Slew. Slew. Real or fake? Fake. Okay, spelt like that anyway. If you slew something, yeah, no, definitely fake. There is no slew. So, slew, very fake. Goodbye to that one. And let's have a look at that one. Zoo. Zoo. That's a challenging one. Real or fake? Ooh. Now, it's fake spelt like this. Zoo. If you heard it said zoo, then yes, of course, we know zoo is a real word, but this is not the correct spelling for it. The correct spelling of zoo is like that, not like this. So we've got tissue and blue as our correct words there. Okay, right. Well, that was good. Some tricksy words in there. Now, let's have a go at writing a sentence. So, the sentence is, the glue is blue. The glue is blue. So, the glue, glue, glue is blue. Blue, blue. The glue is blue. The glue is blue. Okay, let's try it. So, capital letter. The, tricky word, the, finger space. The, g, l, oo. There's our digraph. The glue is b, l, oo. Blue. Full stop. The glue is blue. And we could even, if we wanted to, use an exclamation mark at the end there, because it could be a bit shocking. The glue is blue. Oh my goodness. The glue is blue. But you could also use a full stop. It's up to you. The glue is blue. It could just be stating a fact. It's up to you. So let me zoom in on that one. There we go. Okay, right. Let's do one more sentence. So let's do Sue has a tissue. Sue has a tissue. 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 Sue has a tissue. Tissue. If you say it tissue, it can help you sound out the word. Sue has a tissue. Tissue, because there's no sh digraph in there. Which if you say it tissue, it sounds like there is. Tissue. Sue has a tissue. Right, let's try it together. So, capital letter. Sue. Sue, finger space. Has, finger space. A. Now we've got tissue. You. Tissue. Full stop. Sue has a tissue. There we go. And we've used our digraph twice in that sentence as well. Right, okay, so let's quickly recap that one. We have this digraph, which is said as the oo sound, okay? Blue, true, Sue. Issue, clue, glue. Can't think of any more now. That's quite a few. Okay, so this digraph, oo sound. Right, okay, and let's look at the one from the other day. We did this digraph, IR, or an I and a R together, and it makes the sound, like g, l, girl, and b, d. Okay, so a quick little recap there. Just like this digraph also makes the sound. Okay, so a little bit of a reminder for you there. Great, fantastic. Well done for your phonics today, my darlings. Give yourself a pat on the back and enjoy the rest of your learning today.